Complete training with 5 examples. The first tutorial we have done. Now we are discussing second topic, how to add a drop down list in Excel step by step tutorial. In this video we will add a drop down list without data source, manually each item in the list. Here you can see we have a drop down list which has more items which are not available in the data but in the list, as we add it here manually. So we select the name. If it's not available in the data, so result will be data not available, which is with the help of VLOOKUP formula. You can watch complete training of VLOOKUP, link is in the description. The name from the drop down list which is available in the data, so result will be appear as you see here. In this tutorial video we have created an Excel drop down list with data source and learn all the option of it. Now we are discussing without data source. Please subscribe now. Before starting the video, I want you to comment your country name, as I want to know where are you from, and tell me in comment what kind of project you want to solve. Yes, definitely I will reply you and help you in your project. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free. If you want me to solve your complete project, visit mjonlinehometutor.com. This is not the drop down list, this is the filter, and here you can see the drop down list, and this is example of create a drop down list with data source. And the second example is how to add a drop down list in Excel. Here you can see we have data but it's not from the source, we have it manually, and here the additional countries, if not available, data will not be appear in the result. And here is the third example, edit a drop down list, in which we will edit an existing drop down list with the help of two example you will learn. Both examples are very useful, and we will discuss in this tutorial training session. And the fourth example, how to create a drop down list in Google Sheet. There are different method on the Google Sheet from the Excel. You have to learn and you have to understand, because it's very basic thing to understand of Excel. The fourth example is very important, and the fifth example, we will add the drop down list by adding the data manually without data source. So you need to understand it. Remember to subscribe us. Let's create a drop down list, and how to add a drop down list in Excel we will discussing is right now. So let's create a drop down list. In second example, the richest country in the world, and creating a drop down list in Excel without data source. So here you can see, once we write the country name, and so we will get the result according to the data. China. And once we write Germany, so we will get the result. And Pakistan, there is no data, so we will get data not available. Now we are going to the data tab, data validation, and data validation tab as well. So here is data validation creation criteria list. Now we can add here the data which we need in the drop down list. So first we are going to write the United States, then we can write China, or whatever country whatever data you want to write. So I'm going to write Pakistan, as it's not available in the list, but I will, just for example, I'm going to add it. Japan, United Kingdom, and we can write some other as like Canada. We can write Canada, or anything, any data you want to add here manually. Then just press OK, and here you can see the drop down list is ready. And once you select the data from the drop down list, so it will be available. And if you want to add the this result option, you can watch the VLOOKUP training video. Is available in the link is available in the description. Here are some more options of data validation. You can insert a message on a selection of this cell. So we are in adding a message here. Enter country name, and the message will be, please enter, select or enter, please select country name. So once we press the OK, so it will be appear in the cell. Once we select the cell, so it will be appear, enter country name, please select the country name. So you can write whatever you want and give the text to the second option we will discuss is alert, error alert, or warning alert, or information alert. We have the option here. So I'm going to add an information alert. Information alert will be, now let's enter here as enter correct data, and please enter correct data or country name as its information. So we are going to press OK. And now once we enter a wrong country name like small alphabet of China, so here you can see the messages appear. If we enter right way like capital China, or we can change it to the warning, it will be appear like this. Once we write the proper name of the country with a small and capital, so it will be appear in the right way, otherwise it will be give an error. So we can continue as well, it's a warning. So once we write the first capital is the capital, the France is not available in the data and not in the drop down list, so it's giving us an error. And we can write the Pakistan, it's not in the data but it's in the drop down list as we added here, so it's not giving us the error. These are the important things you need to understand, so you will apply in the right way in your Excel sheet. The another thing I will show you that here you can see, once we select the country which is not available in the list, so here you can see the data, the result will be appear as data not available. So this is with the help of VLOOKUP. You can watch complete training of VLOOKUP. Training of a drop down list is here, you can watch complete training. And if you want to learn about VLOOKUP to appear the data automatically, so you need to watch VLOOKUP training. The list is the complete training is here, you can watch it right now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel right now. Thank you.